Hello and welcome to this course, which I title, Getting Your Websites Visible and Optimized for Search Engines. My name's Dan Greisenhout and I am the author of this course. Since 1999, I have been an internet entrepreneur and have earned over $2 million online from my online business ventures. During the last 2 years, I have become an online business and marketing instructor and now have over 19,000 students taking my courses online. I have published 9 related business and marketing books and own and operate a digital marketing agency called Awareness Digital Marketing Services. With over 35 years of professional business and marketing consulting projects behind me, I'm also considered to be a high-end enterprise systems architect and project manager, and I have led projects globally valued in the tens of millions of dollars. Some of the Fortune-level clients that I've completed work for include Air Canada and WestJet Airlines, JP Morgan Chase Bank, Gateway Inc., Ernst & Julio Gallo Wines, Blue Cross Blue Shield, TRW and the U.S. Air Force, 3M Health Information Systems, Tongyang Insurance in South Korea, Nextel Communications, MCI, New York Police Department, Hibernia Management Development Corporation, which by the way is a $1.2 billion offshore drilling venture, Ontario Hydro, and more. At one time, I was a senior consultant with KPMG Pete Marwick and also the national practice leader for enterprise systems architecture design projects for a 17,000-person IT consulting company called MCI System House. This SEO-related course centers around the technical steps you need to take to put your online assets, including website, blog site, online store, etc., in the best possible light in the eyes of search engines, more specifically, Google and Yahoo Bing. The course covers things you absolutely must do to have even a shot at getting to page 1 of these search engines organically. I follow these lectures with additional guidance to help you construct and display your web page assets so that they not only pass scrutiny when being crawled by spiders in the service of those search engines, but that they receive high marks from these activities, which will help you to place higher in the search engine rankings when organic searches are conducted by the public looking for online information. To set yourself apart and actually get yourself found requires that you complete certain must-do technical steps, in addition to doing the usual things done by all serious marketers, such as building backlinks from third-party locations, promoting your site and pages on various social media platforms, blogging about it, creating videos on it, etc. This course teaches you step by step what these technical things are that you must complete before you even get to promoting your site. Should you be taking this course? Well, that's for you to decide. But I will say that this course targets home business entrepreneurs who have published websites. It also targets any business or technical people desiring to improve a website's visibility online and anyone wanting to get their online assets optimized for better organic search results. So if you take this course, you should receive the following benefits from it. You will be able to build a sitemap.xml file for submitting your website to the Google search engine. You will learn how to get your web pages indexed and visible within the Google search engine. You will learn how to submit your sitemap file to the Bing-Yahoo search engine. You will work with the Google Webmaster Console to identify and correct website issues that may be hurting your search engine rankings. And you'll be able to construct optimized for SEO web pages that search engines will like. So sign up for this course and get this work done on your site. The tasks documented within this course are necessary for you to succeed online organically. See you on the inside, and bye for now.